In this video guys, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily create realistic AI images that looks exactly like this right here. So guys, you want to simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end on how to create AI realistic images. So right here guys, you want to simply make use of this AI tool called the Tensor.art. So you want to simply go onto Tensor.art. With Tensor.art, you are able to create realistic images right here, as you can see, by simply making use of their text to image tool right here. So guys, you want to simply sign up for free. And once you're done with signing up, go onto the create section and go onto classic model. So go onto classic model and it's going to take you right onto this page. So guys, as you can see, we have the text to image tool, we have the image to image, and also the animate tool right here. But guys, for the course of this video, we are going to make use of the text to image tool. Alright here guys, we want to simply just select our model. You simply tap on it right there and you want to simply select your model. So right here guys, I'm going to make use of Epic Realism as my model right here guys. Just going to load up. So this is it. You go on to select, that is your model we want to make use of for the course of this video. So the next thing we want to simply do right here is to simply paste in our prompts. Right here guys, you can easily select any random prompts right there, but guys, I simply have a prompt I want to simply make use of. So I'm just going to make use of this prompts right there. And once you're done with that, you can easily add in some negative prompts if you do have. Then you want to simply select the aspect ratio. You can make use of the portrait, the landscape, the square, and custom. But guys, I'm going to make use of the landscape right here. You can select a sampling method right there, but I'm just going to make use of that. You can also select some sampling state, some seed. You can go into the advanced settings and add this right here. You can also put in some higher fix detailer right there. But guys, once you're done with all of that, you can select your number of images. I can make this to be 2 and simply go on to generate, and as you can see right here, it is generating these images, and this might just take a few minutes for this to be done. So guys, as you can see right here, it is done generating these awesome videos. You can easily just tap on this guys. As you can see, this looks so amazing right here. You can easily go onto the download button and download this particular image. Guys, let's simply take a look at the second images right here. This is looking so realistic right here. So guys, if you want to easily just create realistic images that looks exactly like this right here, simply try out this AI tool called the Tensor.art right here. With Tensor.art, you are able to generate images right here.